Welcome to our channel Market Wisdom. So here I am giving my view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty in this video. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, like, share and subscribe, and you can also join me on my Telegram channel. You can get the link in the description. Without wasting much time, I will go directly to the Nifty. By looking at the thumbnail, you definitely got an idea like where we are heading to. What analysis I'm going to give. So I'm bullish. I'm looking bullish into the Nifty right now because of some of the points that I'm going to tell you today in today's video. And after that, we can see a short covering rally in coming days, and I'm expecting a weekly expiry at 16200. So that's my bold statement, but let's see why I'm saying that. So if you come to the Nifty 15-minute chart, we can see over here one trend line like this, and on the bottom side as well we are seeing this. Okay, so this is symmetrical triangular pattern that we are seeing, and any side breakout we will see a very good up move. The first target will be this 16, of course 1600. So that will be the first target, 1600, today's high. That can be our target, and after that the next target will be at this level, which is 1680. So that is my target, and I believe we should be able to cross this as well, and we will reach to this third target of 16200. That's my third target because of this symmetrical triangular pattern. That's I'm saying. Okay, so this much target I'm expecting by this week only, by this weekly expiry. Now let's look at the second point that I wanted to tell, that will give more addition why I am bullish right now. So you can see over here there is a trend line, and in the trend line also in the past we have taken support around this area, which is 15750. In last couple of days we got one support over here, then again today at 1750 or 17800, 17767, around that area. So these are the triple bottoms for me. So this is a very good indication. Unless and until we are going below this level, I'm not going to get on the bearish side. Okay, so that's the second observation that I have for Nifty. If you see over here, we can say this is higher high, lower high, and maybe we can say Nifty is forming a M pattern over here. But to confirm that, we should be need to close below 17580 as 15780. So unless and until we are giving close below 15780, I will not turn on the bearish side. So as I said, in the symmetrical triangular pattern over here which we are seeing, so similarly if we are able to cross this on the upside, we will going to say see a very good up move. Similarly on the downside as well, I can understand if we break it on the downside, we will see a very good on the move on the downside. And to addition to that, there is a M pattern as well, confirmation of M pattern if we break this 780. So this side where it is breaking, that will be the deciding factor for Nifty, and I am bullish right now because the third point that I wanted to tell is about the open interest. So if you see open interest right now, so we are standing at 15850, right? And if you see in today's video, if you see in today's market action, what happened is, you can see at 15800 there is a huge put writing added. Okay, put writing means they are bullish means they are thinking 15800 will act as a support. Okay, and you can see all the way till 16,000, 15,000, all the way we have seen a good put writing added. I know there are call writing also added, but put writing we are seeing definitely gone increase at the 15800. That suggests is a good support level. And if you see closely, there are some shorts got covered at this 750 level. So some small short covering we are seeing after a long time, but yeah, that's how the things are placed. And if you see on the upper side, there is a resistance at clearly at 1600, which I believe we can break in couple of days, and then there is a next bigger resistance at 16200. So if we are able to break 1600, we will head towards 16200, which is my weekly expiry target. Okay, so these are the 3 points on basis of which I am saying we'll break out on the upper side, and my targets will be 1600 first target, and the next target will be 16,200. So 16,000 and 16,200 will be my targets on the upper side. Of course I will be turn bearish if we are able to give close below this line, 15780, and daily closing. On closing basis I'm saying, if we start giving closing below this 780, then I will turn bearish. But right now I'm very much on the bullish side. Okay, so that's about the Nifty. I will quickly go to Bank Nifty. So you should see in Bank Nifty as well. Yeah, I was referring to few of the channels, and somewhere I have mentioned Bank Nifty for me is forming a inverse head and shoulder pattern. So you can see this is the head, this was the left shoulder, and this is the right shoulder, and you can see the arc that I have drawn in the afternoon. Similar path it had went. So clearly this 33,800 will be a resistance for us till now, which if we are able to break it, then God bless bears, we'll see a very good up move. Okay, and in that case my targets will be, first target will be around this 34,000 will be first target, smaller target, and above that my target definitely will be this one, this area 34,500, and on top of that 34,800. So these will be my targets coming in Bank Nifty based on again chart pattern. So this is the chart pattern, head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern we are seeing on 15 minute. Plus in addition to that, if I remove this, we can see a good support line over here, right? So if we are able to sustain above this line, we should see a very good up move. In contradictory to that, someone can say here we are seeing M pattern as well. Okay, so this is forming like a M pattern, but yeah, correct. But for that we need to have a close below this level, which is 33,400. So below that we can turn bearish, and after confirmation of close below this level, we should aggressively go for on the put side. But until and unless if we are able above this trend line and able to cross this particular resistance 33,800, then I am very much bullish for the target of 34,800 to 35,000 even for the weekly expiry. So quickly look at the Bank Nifty open interest analysis as well. So we go to Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty as well, you can see after a long time these green candles on the downside suggest short covering. So in Bank Nifty we have a more strong candidate for up move, or you can say Bank Nifty is more on the upside. And if you see put writing, heavy put writing at 33,500, it means this 33,500 which I am suggesting, 33,500 to 33,400 won't be broken that easily. And if you are able to get some dip around this 33,500, that will be clearly a buying opportunity for me. And put writing suggests the same. And if you can see in the money, call writing also call short covering happened. So 34,000 call writers, so 34,000 call writers might be considering it is a bounce opportunity, market may bounce, so they have covered their calls. That suggests how much panic or how much worried these call writers are right now, and it clearly suggests market is getting in good shape. So this is the first time after a long time, almost 2-3 weeks back, after we are seeing some solid moves and some solid short covering in the Bank Nifty as well. So things are very good. 34,000 still has a lot of call writers after covering also, but we can see 34,500 it can touch, and then 35,000. So these are my levels, and hence I am saying Nifty weekly closing at 16,200 for me, and for Bank Nifty the level will be 35,000. Okay, so these are my levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for this weekly expiry. We still have 3 more trading days to go, and let's see how it goes. Best of luck, and let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe.